Hey babe, so this is a part 2 of how I got my heart broken and my job by this one person who I should murder. So anyway, when we dropped him off, I told him I would see him at work again, so we went back home, but they were asleep. I can't say the word. Contemplating of what the heck just happened. So the next day I went to work, same as usual, and when I got back, I just took a bath, relaxing, because I like to lounge in the bath, don't judge me. So when I get out, my dad told me that Braxton was engaged when he was dating me. So, in my mind, I was like, okay then. So, my dad left for something, I don't know what. So, the next day, I wasn't really all that happy. My movements were slow and not really cheerful, so yeah, thanks a lot, person I hate / love. Okay, I have a hate love with him, okay? Deal with it. So, that's my part 2 of my story. I hope you like it. I hate my life sometimes with love. Bye. Have a great day. Don't do the same mistakes I did. Love you guys.